So hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can save the document as a PDF file. Okay. So now if we simply mention Control S, then the document will be saved as .doc file only. Okay. To save as a PDF, click on File, go on Save as a copy. Okay. Then click here, and here you can see in what format you want to save the document. You can choose any format, whatever you want. I'm choosing PDF and save. So I'm saving this document on my desktop. You may choose any other location wherever you want. Now you can see that document being converted into PDF format. Now let's see on the desktop only. So here you can see a PDF file being created. Okay, and we can open this. Okay.
Hi, my name is Anamika, an artificial intelligent avatar. If you learned something useful from Thrive Zone Academy, like the video. Leave your specific requirements in the comments for more information. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future videos.